Hello everyone. In this video we are going to demo how to deploy a Docker container into local K3D registry. Alright, let's begin. We're going to first update our Angular website application here. We're going to have a title here um, like Chismis Bill is live. Okay, then um, Chihuahua og ice. Okay, that's it. Next is we're going to build this. Okay, docker build t .NET Test Web version 7, and then yeah, version 7. It's going to yeah, it's going to build that. Right, so yeah, it's already completed. Next is we're going to create a registry in our K3D. How can we make this bigger? How can we make this bigger? Yeah, okay. So next is we're going to create a registry. We're going to call it W VWX-K3D, and because that is already created, we are now going to go to our another folder, the local registry folder. We are going to create a cluster. The name of the cluster is VWX-cluster. And then it's going to use a load balancer port 4200, then map to port 80. Registry, use the registry, this registry here that we just created, and then use the registries.yaml. We're going to execute that, and the registries.yaml looks like this. So it says that if you're going to use localhost, what's this, colon 5050, you're going to use the registries endpoint K3D VWX registry 5050. Alright, so Um, so we have successfully created the cluster. We are now going to apply the deployment.yaml. The deployment.yaml looks like this. Yeah, it's going to name it as .NET Test Web. Then we are going to use the image version 7. Did we tag it already? Hold on. Um, tag. We build, right? So we build and then we create a registry. No, we have to tag. We have to tag the image version 7 to a local host 5050 .NET Test Web version 7. Then we're going to push this to the local registry, and then we are now ready to deploy. But before we deploy, we want to update this to use version 7, the image here, and then yeah, we are not using the local host, we're using the endpoints, exact endpoint here. And then next is we are going to apply that deployment. Okay, so let's check the deployments. It's now ready. Let's get the services. Okay, so the services is already running. Let's try to let's port forward our .NET Test Web Service so that when we use a port 4200, it's going to map it to port 80, and then we're going to launch our web app. And oops, maybe it's still not ready. Hold on. Okay, so let's check the dashboard. We are going to launch a dashboard. Launch a dashboard, create the service account, then create the cluster rule binding, and then create the service secrets, and then use a proxy, and then generate a token. Okay, generate token, and then launch the dashboard. So we're going to launch the dashboard. Hold on, it's still be running. Okay, so dashboard is already running. We want to sign out, and then we want to use this token here. Put that in the token, and then let's get the deployments. The services still pending. Okay, why is it still pending? So once this is ready, I believe we are ready to use the service. So let's check. So I am not sure why that is still pending. Okay, so let's get pods again. So it's ready. The services, external IP, port 80. Yeah, why is it still pending? Everything is a new day. Thankful for every breath I take. I won't take it for granted. So I learn from my mistakes. Alright, so it's already running. See here. Oh yeah, so I'm not sure why this is still pending, but when I check the using 1.127.0.0.1420.4200, it's launching the app. But if I use localhost 4200, it can't find it. So this one is running. Yeah, so yep, That's it. We succeeded. Chismis Bilbil is live. Chihuahua guys. Alright, so yeah, that's it guys. Hopefully that helps some people out there suffering from K3D. And don't forget to watch all my videos so that I can have more watch hours. Alright, cool. Thanks. Bye bye. Bye bye.